Ha ha ha. I'm getting ready to go on a road trip and I'm taking a 3-year-old with me. Yeah. And I talked to my cousin and she said, hey, here's a few tips for you. Take a Ziploc bag like this, roll the edges down. This is their throw-up bag. Just in case he gets ready to chuck in the back seat. You can put that back here like that. You can have it all ready. So if he feels the need, you can grab that, reach it out. Don't get anything smaller than a gallon because little kids, hey, you'll be lucky to get it in a hole like this. Then after they do that, just Ziploc it up, seal it, and throw it away. Yeah, that was the first bit of advice she gave to me. And here's another one. Common household frisbee, eh? This one's called a flying disc. This is your new friend in the back seat on road trips with little kids in car seats. This is their eating tray. It's easy for them to grab onto and their food's not going to fall off the sides, is it? Okay, when you get done with that, you can wipe that out and clean it up. And you can use little wet wipes like this. Make sure they're the ones, you know, not the cleaning ones per se. Make sure the ones for personal use. And she also said, hey, the citrus scent are really the best ones to get. And this only has a 20 pack. You can get these in individual ones to put in your purse and all that kind of stuff. Or you can get larger ones. So, hey, I've never taken a little boy on a road trip before, and I'm already learning little tips from my cousin. Thank you very much. And I thought I would share them with you. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go on a road trip. I'm going to take Mayumi and Haku. They're going to be coming to see me from Japan, and I'm going to take them all around California on a nice little road trip. And here's our ride. I've been getting it all ready. I just wanted to show you real quick what I've done in the back. I've put all kinds of stuff here. I've got some moving mats down here, and then I've got a blanket, and I've got 2 different what do you call them, sleeping bags, and that's pretty slick. I wasn't even thinking about these sleeping bags, but they unzipped and they were square, so I've got them down here. And then I've got a couple comforters here, and I put a sheet down and a blanket, and I've got another blanket over there, and I've got 7 pillows, and I'm going to put that back here so whenever Haku, as we're driving, if he's ready to take his nap, we'll open this up here. And this is almost big enough for the 3 of us to take a nap back here. I can push the seats up a little bit, and I'll teach him, you know, read to him back here, and we'll maybe have some snacks back here as we're stopped alongside the road or the beach or wherever we're at. And that's what I'm going to do. We're going to have fun on this trip. And you know what? You might learn a few things about California, different places you want to go. And reading, I'm going to try to teach them how to speak English and how to sound out words and stuff. And I've got this cool training reading program that I'm going to sign up for. And I want to show you about that too. It shows all kinds of ways on how to get your kids to be able to read. Do you know that, you know, between 2.5 and 3 years old, you can start teaching your kid how to read then? Yes, it is possible, and I'll show you how to do that later. Just keep watching my videos. Hey, am I ready for this road trip with a 3-year-old in tow? You betcha.